So friends, we use Facebook every time and daily. We have our own account also. So our Facebook account name is made of two sentences, first name and last name. But what if I tell you that you can remove your Facebook ID last name also? Same like this, you can see here in your side. So in this Facebook account, here is only one name and no any last name or surname. So if you also want to have only one name in your Facebook account, then just you have to watch this video full. I'm gonna show you one trick. From that you can easily put only one name of your Facebook ID without any extra name, last name or surname. You can skip that name and only have one name of your Facebook ID. From your Android phone in 2024, you can easily do this trick. So if you also want to know how to have only one name of your Facebook ID, then just watch this video till the end. And if you are new, then please share, subscribe and like. So without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. So guys, if you want to have only one name of your Facebook ID, so just you have to go to your Play Store and here you have to search one VPN application, Touch VPN. Okay, so first of all you need to download this application, Touch VPN Secure Hotspot Proxy. So this app link is in the description also, so you can directly check out. So just you have to install this application, Touch VPN. So I wait until it's download. So friends, this application has been downloaded. So just you have to open this application, Touch VPN, and here you have to accept some terms and conditions. So just click on accept, and now you can see here connect button. So simply click on this connect button, and connection request, click on this OK, and here you can see best choice option. So just you have to click on this best choice, and here are so many countries. So here you have to select Japan. Okay, so simply select here, search and select Japan. So here is this Japan, so you have to connect this Japan VPN. So it is connecting. Okay, so the VPN has been connected. So now you have to open your Facebook Lite application. So just go to your Facebook Lite. With Facebook ID you have to name only one name. So now you have to go to this settings. Okay, so just tap on this settings, and then you can see the first number option, personal and account information. So just you have to go to this personal and account information. So it is loading, and after you click on this personal and account information, so you can see the name option. So just click on this name. So here it is loading. Okay, so after you click on this name button, so here you have to type your name. So we want to put only one name here, so you have to remove this first name here, this first name, and in this first name button, okay, see this carefully, in this first name tab, here you have to paste these symbols. You have to paste here in this name section. So first name, you have to paste this symbol. So these symbols are in my description, so simply you have to copy these symbols. There are two symbols in my description, so you have to copy, and in this first number option, first name, you have to type this symbol. You have to paste this symbol, and in this second number, now here you have to paste this number second symbol. So in this middle name, paste this, and in this surname, now you have to type your name, only one name guys, which you want to put. So Sohel. Okay, so my name Sohel I put here as my surname. So here only one name you have to type here in the surname option, and in this first name and middle name you have to copy this symbol from my description. Same symbol you can take screenshot also. So this symbol in my description, so simply copy and paste here one by one, and in this surname you have to type your name, and you can see in this please note button is here. If you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. So you have to carefully put this symbol and your name also, only one name, and then you have to click on this review change button. Click on this review change, So guys, now this interface will become, and here you have to select this third number. Okay, you can see this third number. Here are 1 2 3. So simply select this third number name, and here you have to enter your Facebook account password. So this account password I type here. Just wait here, I type. So after you enter your password here, simply click on this save changes. So I click on this save changes, and you have to wait for few seconds. Okay, so guys, you can see here my name has been changed. So I show you in my profile. So this name, here is only one name. So I go back. First I remove this from here, from background, and I again open my Facebook Lite. So I show you the live proof. Okay, so guys, you can see here Sohel. So my only one name is here. My only one name is showing here. And now guys, if you want to remove this symbol also, okay, we want to remove this symbol also. So how can we remove this symbol also? You have to again go to the settings. So again go to the settings. I go to the settings, and then again click on this personal and account information. So it takes some time to load, and now again click on this name button. So simply click on this name, and now you have to click on this change order of name. So simply click on this change order of name, and now you have to select this second. So here is one first. Now you have to select this second number button. So just click on this second, and again here you have to type your password. So simply click on this second number name and type again your password to remove this symbol. So I have entered my password, and then click on this save changes. Okay, it is loading. Okay, now done. Now again I remove this from my background, and now I will show you the live proof. Again I open my Facebook. So guys, now you can see the live proof. Here is only one name. So this is the process guys, this is the whole process to make only one name of your Facebook ID. So Sohel, this only name is here. So that symbol also has been removed from this streak. So guys, I hope you like this trick. So just you have to install this VPN, and you have to do all this process. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. So bye bye guys.